Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm reviewing the Edifier S3000 Pro. So this is how the right speaker looks like without the grill. So I just managed to remove the grill from this speaker, and here in this way I have the left speaker. I put it on side because I don't have room on my home desk, so I needed to buy a new one, and I will do it in a few months. And I put it the left speaker in right and the right speaker in left, because the left speaker does not have so many controls like the right one, and I have a small toddler and I don't want to miss and I don't want to mess with the controls of the speaker, and that's why I put it here. So as you could see, this speaker has a flashing LED. So if I manage to, so as you could see, it flashes because it's on right now, so I just turn it on. So this is the left speaker. On the right side, as you could see there, we have an L. So that speaker flashes because at this moment the right speaker is off, so I have not turned it on, the right speaker, right now. And as you could see, I have the remote here. I put it the batteries like this. I don't put it the cover yet because I want to show you something. So if I press on here, so this is on the balance, and when I press it once, when I press it monitor, the LED flashes once. When I press the dynamic, the LED flashes twice. When I press the classic, the LED flashes 3 times. When I press vocal, the LED flashes 4 times. And in this way I know by looking on the speaker how many, exactly what the selection is, so the selection of the mode. And we also could have the opportunity to change the audio source. So let's presume that the remote it's off, so, or I don't have it anymore, or it's broken. So I will remove this from the remote itself. So the speaker is on. If I wanted to power it off, I also have the option. So I put the batteries in, sorry, and I will power the speaker off, the main the right speaker, sorry. I will power it off from here, yeah, and you will see that it's off. So it's off. I will remove the batteries. So the batteries are off, and here are the batteries, and I will put it like this, yeah, and this is the cover of the speaker. I put it there, and this is the remote. So if I want to power it on, I will just go in the back, of course, of the speaker. So, and I will press this here, so the volume button, as you could see. So we have it here, the volume, dial input selection. Here we have the treble, here we have the bass, here we have a button to pair the speakers, here the power on off. So Here are the inputs for balance. Here are the inputs for line in, the USB, the optical and the coaxial. So if I want to power it on, so it's off right now as you could see. So no LED, it's at this moment on. So I just press this. And as you could see, we are on the balance. So if I press it one more time, it will go to optical. If I press it one more time, it will go to coaxial, USB input, Bluetooth input, line in input, and balanced input, optical input, so on and so forth. And this is it. So if I want to power it off, I just long press on the same button. So this is how you manage your speakers without your speaker Edifier S3000 Pro, without having the remote at all, or by not having the remote. And this also could be explained in the manual, as you could see here. So we have here this line in, balanced input, optical, coaxial, USB and Bluetooth. So those are the things that I wanted to show you. So thank you for seeing this video, and if you want to see more, don't hesitate to subscribe and shoot me some comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.